So the other area on UV is on our high-end flatbed technologies with the HDR technology, currently with the Flatbed 10,000 and the Flatbed 15,000. I'm really glad today to announce introductions in both product lines, the 10,000 and in the 15,000. Let me start with more design and display versatile market. So we are announcing today the introduction of the Flatbed 11,000, which is replacing the Flatbed 10,000. Okay? And let me tell you about what is new on this Flatbed 11,000. So the first that we are introducing a new set of inks, the HDR, which is that high dynamic range, 250 inks. Those inks are real multi-purpose inks with the highest versatility in the market for the speeds that this device can print. And very important, those inks are enabling a new proprietary technology that we have developed on the way we layer the ink that is called HP Scitex Smart Coat technology. This technology is breaking a paradigm that when you have a flexible ink, it cannot be durable. I'm thinking durable as wrap resistance, right? With this technology now we can have the best flexibility with the best wrap resistance and durability of the ink, which is basically going to enable a variety of new applications to be printed with this high-end device to our customers. So I'm really excited about the combination of the HDR230 and the Smart Coat technology available in the HDR, in the Flatbed 11,000. Also, as we are learning and we have been progressing in our R&D department, this product has enhanced productivity, especially on the fast print modes, and the cost of operation has been reduced overall in an end-to-end approach. Okay. As I said, the 11,000 is going to be replacing the current Flatbed 10,000 and is going to offer maximum versatility in a high productivity environment. So we expect to continue being the indisputable leaders on the market on this, with these high-end devices. This is about more the common sign and display market where versatility is important. But already 1 year ago in Interpack, we announced publicly our intention to be the leaders and disrupt the corrugated packaging market. And you've seen before that HP is very serious about packaging and getting into packaging, right, as a strategy. Since then, we have been discussing with many customers with around the Flatbed 15,000 and other technologies that are being developed in HP. And we're clearly seeing the endorsement of what we thought it was important. For that industry, the number of jobs per day is increasing. The average run length is decreasing. Planning complexity on how they need to manage production is also increasing. And of course, the brands, they want everything printed for now or for yesterday, which is creating a huge pressure to the current traditional analog printing systems. So very clearly now, I'm more convinced than ever that the flexibility that digital technology provides is a requirement on the corrugated packaging industry. And thinking on that, we are currently introducing also new technologies, a new product, the Flatbed HP Scitex 15500. This product that is replacing the previous one, the 15,000, is based on the same platform technology, using HDR technology, and for those of you that remember, it's basically optimized for the workflow that a corrugator will have on their factory, especially on the media input and output. What we are introducing now is also a combination of inks and technologies, right? Which is one of our uniqueness in the market, that we own all the systems, we develop everything. the HDR230 inks. With those inks, our customers, they're going to be able to print at a better running cost. It's going to enable better economies for a digital conversion. Those inks, they have low odor, which is very important, both on the display and also on the boxes for this high-end digital corrugated printing. This ink has been especially designed to fit corrugated porous material. This is where we are optimizing really the performance, the cost, and the fit to the application that the corrugated converters needs to do. Also, we are introducing a new system that is called the corrugated grip, that is going to revolutionize how the media loading and the media fit in a digital system is performed. The corrugated grip is an innovation that you can see here a picture of the blankets that are going to be installed on the table of the printer, which are enabling us to load and hold extremely or severely warped media, as the one that you're seeing here on the screen. One of the beta sites, he told us that he is not able to cut media that is severely warped, but has been printed with the 15500. So we are going to be able to reduce significantly the level of interruptions that a corrugator can have when they are printing with corrugated material, which at the end of the day, this is going to be more productivity. Right. Also, with the corrugated grip and the HDR230, we're going to enable a lower cost of operation. Ink, the 230 is more efficient on printing, but also when you don't need to screen the media that you are using, it becomes cheaper raw material to start printing. You don't need a special media to print in a digital device. You can use almost whatever media will be available. And all that together is enabling us as well to print with higher image quality, as we can really fine-tune which is the distance of the printhead to the corrugated board, because we are holding the board in a way that we can really approach us without the risk of having any media crash. Okay. So I think that that's going to be something that our customers, especially in this environment, are really going to appreciate, and it's going to increase significantly the break-even point for the run length that is economically viable to be printed in digital. So, many news on the sign and display business. So we're introducing the 370 on the higher end of our 300 portfolio for those customers, heavy users that want to print web-to-print applications, want to print more than the average with a 3 liters cartridge. We're improving our Flatbed 700 and 500 series with new additions on the media loading, usability, image quality, reliability, and productivity. And we're renewing our HDR platform with 2 new inks, the 250 and the 230, and 2 new technologies, the Smart Code for versatile applications and the corrugated grip for being able to print more efficiently on corrugated media. Okay? So those are the news today. I hope that you will think maybe that those are very important innovations in the market.